Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be cleaning my master bedroom and bathroom, and what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to clean up and throw some trash away, whatever that we had in the bathroom that we don't need, and then start spraying the bathroom. Basically season the bathroom, okay? So this is what I'm doing. I broom the floor. I like to broom the floor first because in case if water fell on the floor, so there's not too much mess. Then I move into the bedroom, put some clothes away, and then I'll just be washing my sheets until for when I'm done cleaning, so I can put on my bed. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna start dusting, vacuuming, and putting things away, and then I'll go back to the bathroom. The bathroom. Basically, I start with the bathroom and finish with the bathroom. So this is what I'm doing, and I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I'll be right back. so this is the finished look. I have everything all clean and fresh, and I am tired. So this is what the room looked like after it's all cleaned up. I lit up some candles for some good smell. And this is the bathroom. This is what it looks like now. It's all shiny. Thank God. And this is all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends, and let me know in the comment how you like my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.